back again to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Jenny Family. You're welcome back again to today's video. Yeah, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch our video. If you are also our old subscriber, you are highly welcome back again. I thank you for coming back here to watch your girl's video. And if you are my passerby viewer, also thank you for watching my video. In case you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do not forget to like this video, leave comment by the comment section below, and also help me to share, leave comment, subscribe. Thank you as you do, you know. So in today's video is about our life, you know. This channel is just about our life and review and some other things, you know. And we are going to be showing you guys our life. So I am alone with children, so yeah. So that's what I am going to be showing you. That's what I am going to be showing to you guys today, because Efosa has been disturbing this morning, so he did not allow me to do anything. So now I want to feed him first. I want to give him food first before I give the rest, you know. Can you give her now, please? I'm going to be giving Efosa food first. So before I give the food, hey, boy, it's too baby now.
Baby.
So Efosa is going to eat first. After Efosa has finished eating, before Treasure with Harriet will eat, you know. Bring it now. Pass it. Bring complex?
Yeah.
Or Godimo. Go and bring that white. So guys, we will start now, because Efosa don't joke with spoon food, you know. When it comes to things of spoon food, so Efosa doesn't joke with it. Reality loves anything that comes with spoons, you know. Anything that they eat with spoons. So my boy don't joke with it. Doesn't joke with it, you know. What's that? It's a good one. That is a good one. When you don't sing, my boy don't eat, so he wants you to be singing for him. What's that? It's a good one. What's that? It's a good one. Tell them I'm eating. Oh, tell them to come and join you. I'm gonna tell you guys to come and join me to eat.
Baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.
They just apply it once, then he's finished.
I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my
Everything.
standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with
So
me
this
like
is how it's looking like right now. So I have, yeah, I'm coming. Can you guys see? So I have removed the table so that children can see the space to play, you know. So that's Efosa over there. Efosa is playing. So, I now remove the thread, part of the thread to this place, you know. It's okay like this, you know. So like this, we'll have a lot of space. You guys see it? A lot. Place, I'm going to be cleaning this place. I am going to be cleaning this place now. So I want to make conflict cotton, you know. So I want to be giving them their breakfast, you know. No. What do you want?
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. Fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. Let's go. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down.
So you always want someone to carry you everywhere. So, yeah, I want to do it. Actually, try that one. Try that one. Try that one. So I'm going to be removing this.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even hope you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Feel low, you can still go. Go, go slow, you can still go. Go, there's no hope.
So guys, I am done cleaning. So everywhere looks so beautiful now. So I'm going to be turning this oil out of that place so I can wash it to finish eating, because they have scattered the place. So I'm going to be arranging. So guys, I have arranged here too. So that's my cap, my bonnet, my hair bonnet. So what exercise is there? So now I am going to be turning this oil, because now they don't waste any oil, you know. I'm going to be turning it to use it to fry something, because now there's no oil. Even when you go to the supermarket, when you see oil to buy, it's only 2 they will allow you to take. You are allowed to just pick only 2, so you are not allowed to pick more than 2. So if you have oil that is left, you know, leftover oil, the one you have used to fry something before, so I think you should just keep it. You keep it for use.